Hi everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening, all of you. How are you all? Hope you're all doing well. Right. So we'll be starting. This is the first class now, right? This first class on which one? This practice sessions of this uh, general aptitude, that is quantitative aptitude. We'll be seeing if you just right, yes, na? So all are ready? Okay, right. Who came? Right. Lina, Shubham, Mantosh, Nishant. yes नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट हुआ क्या नया चैप्टर नहीं है वो प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस राइट प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस वी आर डिस्कसिंग ना विल बी डिस्कसिंग दिस प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस यस ना विल बी डिस्कसिंग दिस प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस ओनली ओके राइट डोंट वरी राइट जय हिंद sir is eating dosha mantosh that dosha is given by mantosh only right done is it showing or everyone or it is not showing that video is showing everyone all of you video is showing all of you audio for me it is not showing in my mobile just a minute let me check it yeah it's showing now to me right okay for everyone else it is showing right all of you welcome to Unacademy let's crack it right everyone is ready to crack all of you everyone is ready to crack yes get ready to crack all of you right one sec all of you welcome to Unacademy let's crack it right Archana Shubham Rajat Mantosh right good afternoon everyone right so GATE and ESE civil engineering by myself and this is my profile you can follow me at which and that profile is given it crack kar denge yes crack karna hai and और RP sir का interview लेना है yes ना निशांत so this is my profile right RP civil live is the referral code you have to use right you just click on that blue color banner and you will be redirected to my profile you follow my profile there all of you and these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy you know already and on August 7th at 3 p.m. what you are having all India mock test for this civil is there right yeah RP sir bhi party de denge right if you get rank yes na yeah मुझे भी लेट हो गया ईशान डोंट वरी राइट वी डिड नॉट स्टार्ट एनीथिंग सो अभी शुरू नहीं किया ईशान so use the referral code RP civil life and subscribe to this plus and iconic courses and those who wanted to get this printed notes you can get it yes na right so yeah Shruti good evening Yogita good evening practice 1 was on 1 p.m. right no practice part 1 no actually those questions are different and these questions are different okay those questions are class practice questions these are which one the normal practice questions right other than class practice questions these are also practice questions you can say right self practice questions are different these are class practice questions only class practice questions in plus class practice questions in YouTube right two types of class practice questions we are having okay so on these number systems only we'll be doing these questions if you just observe right so these are all the advantages of this iconic yeah this is part 1 this is part 1 okay this is part 1 okay Nishant this is part 1 right don't worry I'll be sharing all the PDFs so whatever we are doing today I'll be sharing right all PDFs of chapter wise I'll be sharing if you just observe right so these are the differences between this plus and iconic you know whichever is suitable for you you select it right these are the new batches started so RP civil live is the referral code you have to use always inform to your juniors and everybody to use this RP civil live code only all of you right so this is the fee structure fee difference between this plus and iconic you can say right full length course on surveying is going on and aptitude is also going on every day you know so these are the PYQs of transportation PYQs of this plastic analysis and practice questions on this aptitude we are doing now right so like if you just observe right lecture 1 on which one general aptitude or this quantitative aptitude practice questions 1 right so practice questions 1 you can see if you just observe right so shall we start questions all of you everyone so I'll be just going with these questions I'll be using which one this dark blue right so what is that you wanted to do is right आप क्या सब्जेक्ट लेते हैं राइट पूरा सब्जेक्ट राइट इधर दिया था ना कौन सा सब्जेक्ट्स में लेता हूँ राइट हियर गिवन ना these are all the subject right transportation steel structure structural analysis RCC PSC surveying engineering drawing general aptitude right so and strength of materials also right strength of materials also I'll be taking right these are all the subjects I'll be taking all structural subjects plus transportation surveying drawing aptitude other than structural subjects okay right okay right So shall we enter into these questions, all of you? Shall we enter into these questions, everyone? Right. Shall we enter into these questions, everyone? आपके के बाद सो अभी क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड चल रहा है ना, क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड के बाद एनालिटिकल एप्टीट्यूड विल बी डूइंग एंड इवनिंग में सर्विंग के बाद स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल्स शुरू करेंगे. ओके, राइट, क्लियर? राइट, नाउ इफ यू जस्ट ऑब्जर्व व्हाट इज यू कैन से, अरे यार, व्हाट इज इफ यू जस्ट ऑब्जर्व, इफ यू ऑब्जर्व प्रोडक्ट ऑफ yeah, good evening Lashan, yeah, sorry, Ishan. Lashan, it is showing Lashan, right? Product of which one? This is 3 consecutive natural numbers, right? This is first lecture, Civil Indian. This is first lecture actually. Yesterday's lecture was not done. It was not shared actually. It was not created. So this is a first lecture. Okay, the names will be changed soon. Don't worry, right? The product of which one? This is 3 consecutive natural numbers. So I am writing the question, you write your options there. Okay, I'll wait for some time. The product of 3 consecutive natural numbers, the first of which is an even number. The first of which is an even number is always divisible by. Is always which one? Right? Is always divisible by what? Okay, these are the options I am giving. So one is 12, B is option A is 12, option B is your 24, and option C is your which one? This is 8, and option D is your which one? This all. These practice questions are not related to this PYQs of GATE and ESE. PYQs of this GATE and ESE will be starting in the special classes. Okay, don't worry, SRM, right? PYQs of GATE and ESE and other examinations of General Aptitude will be starting in the PYQs, right? Not here. Okay, is it clear? So these are other practice questions, right? In class we are doing some practice questions. Here we are doing some practice questions, and self practice questions are there. And again, what is that we are having? PYQ series also will be there, right? If you solve these questions now, you will become master of aptitude. Okay, right? Solve these all of you and write your options, everyone. Solve this question and write your options, all of you. Which option? Right, Mantoshed D and Nayan D, Shubham 2. What is 2? Rajat D, Shubham all. Right, any other? Ishan D. What is that you can say? So what are the 3 product of this 3 consecutive natural numbers, right? What is that 3 consecutive natural numbers, right? So did it mention from where we have to start this number? Is it mentioned anywhere that you have to start from this number, you have to start from that number? No. So n is one natural number, and what is that you can say? N plus 1 is another natural number, and n plus 2 is which one? Teesra wala natural number, right? So pala wala n, दूसरा वाला n plus 1, तीसरा वाला n plus 2, right? So these are the 3 natural numbers now. Product of these numbers, right? What is that product of these numbers? If you just observe, product of these numbers is what? n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, right? मैं नींद में हूँ. Okay, 12 2 जैसा दिख रहा है. Okay. Okay, you come out of your sleep. Product is what? N into n plus 1 into n plus 2, right? So n into which one? This n plus 1 into n plus 2, right? You can see if you just observe, right? Numbers, the first of which is an even number is always divisible by. The first of which is an even number, right? The first of which is an even number means whenever this is an even number, automatically what will happen? Just for example, so what is it given? For example, so this is an even, right? N is given as your even, right? What is that first even number? Tell me, all of you. The first even number is which one? The first and foremost even number is what? 2 only, no? Just for an example, first and foremost even number is 2. If you just observe, right? What is that? You can say 2 into 3 into 4, right? What is that? 2 into 3 into 4 will come, everyone? 2 into 3 into 4 will be how much? 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 4 will be which one? This is 24, right? It is divisible by which one? This is 12, 24 and 8, right? Isn't it? And if you take one more example, if you just observe, Another example, if you observe, what is another example if you just take? N you take it as which one? N you take it as this 4 if you just observe, right? N you take it as this 4, right? So what is it? You can say 4 into 5 into 6, right? What is that? 4 into 5 into 6, everyone? Yeah, Shubham, yes, correct, right? 4 into 5 into 6. 4 5s are 20, 26s are which one? 120, na? Son, 120, na? So this is divisible by which one, everyone? This is divisible by which one, all of you? This is divisible by 12, divisible by 24, divisible by 8, divisible by all, na? Yes or no? It is also divisible by every number or not, all of you? Yes, this is also divisible by this every number if you just observe, right? Isn't it? So which one is the answer? You can say all of the above can be taken as answer, na, everyone? All of the above can be taken as answer, na? Yes. Is it clear, all of you? Shall we move to the second question, everyone? Shall we move to the second question? So ISA wala questions will be doing so different questions, right? Whatever we are doing in class are different from these questions, okay? So lot many questions, many models will be getting, okay? Shall we enter into the second question, all of you? Yes, na? Right. So what is it? You can say find the least number. Find the least number. What is that number which is being find the least number which is being divided by what, right? So tomorrow onwards I'll be giving this in a typed format so that we can directly enter into the solution, right? Because of time non-availability of time, I'm just writing these questions, okay? Tomorrow I'll bring it in the typed format, okay? Find out the least number which is being divided by which one? This 9, which is being divided by this 9, 12, 16 and 30 and leaves, right? And what it will do? And leaves what? And leaves in each case, and leaves in each case a remainder of what? So what it will be resulting in? For all the numbers it will be it is divided, that number will be divided by this 9, 12, 6 and 13, and in each case it will be giving a remainder of which one? This remainder of this 3, all of you, right? It is giving a remainder of 3, right? So ये खतरनाक वाला question है ना, all of you? खतरनाक वाला question है क्या? नहीं. 723, 623 and the next 728 and what is ready? None of this. Anyone? Select the answer, all of you. Anyone? Just do it, all of you. The question looks difficult, but the solution becomes very easy, right? Solution is very easy. Solution is very easy. Which one? 723? Mantosh? B? Any other answer by others, all of you? Simply it will be divided by this 9, 12, 16, 30. Means how can you identify which number is divided, which number will be divisible by all these numbers? Can we say least common multiple? If you select that least common multiple of this 9, 12, 16, 30, if you take na, that number will be obviously divisible by this. That number will be obviously divisible by this, all these numbers, na? Is that no? But it should give a remainder of which one? This 3. But it should give a remainder of which one? This 3, right? So what we'll do, we'll add that remainder at the end, right? So LCM of these numbers, LCM of these numbers is divisible by all these numbers, na, everyone? LCM of these numbers is divisible by all these numbers, na, everyone? Divisible by this all these numbers, right? So what is that LCM if you just observe? Yeah, you can see it now. Thickness of pen I cannot increase, right? You just change the quality, Ishan Krishna. You just touch your screen, touch that screen on this, and at the top that settings symbol is na, click on that settings symbol and click on this quality, and you go for this advanced and you select which one is at least 360 or 480, right? Then it looks clearly, okay? Then it looks clearly, right? Ishan, you do that, change the quality to 360 at least and you do it, okay? Right, what is that LCM? You can say if you just observe. How can you LCM if you just observe? 9, 12, 16, 30. Okay. What is that LCM? How can you get this LCM, everyone, if you just observe now? So is there any common number? That 3 common factor is there na? 3 3s are which one? This 9. 3 4s are 12 and 16 as it is we keep, and 3 10s na? So no, 3 10s, right? I told you na? Yes. Now is there any other common factor you are having if you just observe? 2 is another common factor na? This 3 we keep it as it is, and 2 2s are which one? This 4, and 2 8s are 16, and 2 5s you can say, right? And is there any other common factor you are having? 2 is another common factor na? 2 3 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are which one? This 8, and 5 as it is, right? Now tell me what is that LCM it comes to be? 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 4 into 5. So what is that LCM of these numbers, all of you? What is the LCM of these numbers, all of you? Is there any further? No further na? Only one is a common factor, right? What is the LCM you are getting? 720 will be the LCM na? So this number, this is 720 is divisible by all or not? 720 is divisible by all or not? 720 is divisible by which one? This all. But our required number is 720. हमको 720 डिविजिबल वाला चाहिए क्या, और द नंबर विच गिव्स रिमाइंडर एज 3 इज रिक्वायर्ड? हमको डिविजिबल वाला नंबर नहीं चाहिए ना, ऐसा ना? हमको कौन सा नंबर चाहिए? वो नंबर रिमाइंडर 3 लेना चाहिए ना, ऐसा ना? राइट. सो व्हाट इज दैट रिक्वायर्ड नंबर? Required number, simply add 3, right? Required number is what? That is 720 plus 3 क्या होता है? 723 होता है ना? 723 होता है, right? Option B is correct ना? Option B is correct, right? Like that. Is that clear, everyone? So shall I move to the next question? Shall I move to the next question? Right. So मजा आ रहा है ना ऐसा वाला क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने के समय में, है ना? What is that, right? Next question, the LCM, right? Tomorrow onwards I'll be giving which one? I'll be bringing the questions in typed format so that it will be easy, right? We can solve more questions, right? Yes, na? The LCM of two numbers, the LCM of these two numbers is which one? This 12 times what? 12 times their HCF, right? See, twisting we are doing, more twisting we are doing na? The LCM of two numbers is which one? This is 12 times, it's 12 times there, which one? This HCF. And what is that you can say? The sum of, what is that we have to take? The sum of which one? This HCF, the sum of this HCF. Yeah, I'll be sending it. I'll be sending, don't worry, right? I'll be sending in the plus course, right? Plus course and groups also I'll be sending over, right? The sum of HCF and this LCM is what? 403, right? If the number, if one number is what? What is that? If one number is which one? This is 93, and find the other. And what you need to do? You just find the other number, right? You just find which one? This other number you can say, right? So we'll be just making it 134 option A, option B is 124, option B is 124, and option C is 128, and option C will be which one? This 169. Okay, so write your options, all of you, everyone write your options, solve this and tell me. So on each topic, how many questions you want me to solve? 50 questions solve करेंगे on each topic, or 20 questions solve करेंगे on each topic? 15 or 20? Number system पर some number of questions, right? Ratio पर some number of questions. Each question 50, but you will come regularly? Yeah. जितना ज़्यादा उतना? Okay. Okay, we'll see how many possible, we'll solve that. Okay, first we'll solve 20 on each topic. First we'll solve 20 on each topic, then we'll go for 100. Okay, so 168 questions I have given na? 168 questions I have given. Questions will come, no problem. Questions will come, no problem. But yeah, but you will come to the classes continuously or not, that is only important. Okay, if you do not come, if I'll take the classes, there is no use na. In the starting first two classes people will come fully, but after that people will start reducing na. Yes or no? LCM is 403. If the LCM of two numbers is 12 times their HCF, the sum of HCF and LCM is 403. If one of the number is 93, then find the other number, right? Option B 124, everyone. So what is that? If you just observe, it is simple only, no, that HCF plus this LCM, right? HCF plus this LCM is given as what? 4. अभी क्लियर है क्या पूरा? अभी आया? Right. Okay. So now the LCM of this two numbers is 12 times its HCF, right? Sum of the two numbers LCM is given as which one? This 403. So what is that we are writing? HCF plus this LCM, we are taking it as what? 403 now. And what is that you are having? LCM is equal to that 12 times this HCF, right? LCM is equal to that 12 times this HCF. So now if you just substitute this equation, right? H plus LCM को कौन सा वाला सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है? LCM को 12 टाइम्स HCF सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है ना, 12 टाइम्स HCF सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, राइट? इज इक्वल टू दैट 403, राइट? व्हाट इज दैट यू कैन से नाउ? So 13 times this HCF, right? 13 times this HCF is equal to that 403, right? Now what is that HCF of these two numbers, everyone tell me? What is the HCF of two numbers, all of you? Now clear na? Ghost has gone, power has come, right? Now tell me what is the HCF of these two numbers, all of you? HCF of two numbers, how much it comes to be, everyone? HCF कितना? How much is that? कैलकुलेट कर दो HCF को एंड बोलो. HCF कैलकुलेट करो एंड लिख दो कमेंट्स में, लाइव चैट में. ये 31 होता है ना? यस निशांत, राइट? ये 31 होता है, राइट? ये 31 होता है, राइट? सो अभी एक शॉर्टकट को मालूम होना चाहिए इधर. सो व्हाट इज दैट शॉर्टकट, राइट? यू जस्ट ऐड इट एज योर नोट पॉइंट इन योर नोट्स, ऑल ऑफ यू, राइट? In your notes you add it as this note point, right? What we know, if you just observe LCM, right? LCM into that HCF of two numbers is equal to that number 1, right? What is that you can say? That number 1 and this which one? This is number 2. Multiplication of this HCF and this LCM is equal to which one? Number 1 and number 2, right? Multiplication of these two numbers, if you just observe, right? So क्या है? That LCM को HCF से मल्टीप्लाई करे तो नंबर 1, राइट? फर्स्ट नंबर इनटू दैट सेकंड नंबर ना, फर्स्ट नंबर. क्लास एंड हो गया क्लास अभी? नो नहीं. अभी दिख रहा है क्या? अभी दिख रहा है क्या? नहीं. अभी दिख रहा है क्या? नहीं एवरीवन? अरे यार अभी मुहूर्त नहीं है, अच्छा वाला मुहूर्त नहीं है ये. सभी प्रॉब्लम कर रहे हैं वो. अभी क्लियर है क्या? ओके. नाउ सो व्हाट इज दैट पॉइंट यू शुड नो? व्हाट इज दैट पॉइंट यू शुड नो, राइट? LCM into HCM of two numbers is equal to that first number into that second number, right? So now tell me what is that LCM? If you just observe HCF, you know, from this what is that LCM, you can get it. LCM is equal to which one? That 12 times this 31, na? 12 times this 31, right? So what is that you can say? LCM is nothing but your 12 times this 31 is that LCM into HCF. क्या है? HCF 31 होता है ना? HCF 31 होता है. And first number into which one? This is second number, right? First number into that is second number. So first number क्या है? क्वेश्चन में दिया था ना वो 93 दिया था फर्स्ट नंबर, एंड दूसरा वाला नंबर दिया नहीं दिया? दूसरा वाला नंबर नहीं दिया ना, that number 2 we do not know, right? So now tell me what is that number 2. If you just observe, that number 2 is equal to which one? 12 into 31 into 31 divided by this 93. क्या होता है उसका, क्या नंबर है वो? क्या अभी लिखो ना, अभी बोला ना, लिख दो वो रिलेशन. LCM into that HCF is equal to first LCM into HCF of two numbers is equal to the first number into that second number. Is na? So how much you are getting, everyone? How much you are getting when you are solving it? That 124 you are getting na? Yeah, because Nishant, right, this shortcut or this formula we have to use here, right? Because LCM into that HCF of any two numbers is equal to first number value into that second number value, right, Nishant? First number value into that second number value is equal to LCM of those two numbers into that HCM of those two numbers, right? You लिख दो, स्टार मार्क रख के लिख दो नोट्स में, ओके? नोट्स में लिख रहे हैं क्या? नोट्स में लिख दो स्टार मार्क रख के, ओके? So that is very that is there, okay? Using that shortcut we are going for this, if you just observe, right? Isn't it? Right. So अभी चले फोर्थ क्वेश्चन को, चल जाए, चलेंगे हम फोर्थ क्वेश्चन के. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन चले हम, राइट? व्हाट इज द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन? What is that a reminder of what? What is that a reminder? Previous slide, okay दिव्यांग, लिखना है क्या? लिखो. भाई 4 मेंबर है लाइव में. Done? Okay. So what is the reminder when n is equal to which one? It is this 1 factorial, right? What is it? You can say 1 factorial plus this 2 factorial, right? ये वाला 1 factorial, right? 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus so on up to which one? This is 1000 factorial power which one? Power 40 is divided by what? Is divided by 10. Is divided by 10, right? So ये बहुत खतरनाक वाला क्वेश्चन है ना ये भी. A is 1, B is 3, C is 7 and what is it? D you can say 8. Okay, do this everyone. What is it everyone? So it looks difficult but it is very simple question. It is very simple question. अरे यार अभी एंड बोल रहा है, क्लास एंड हुआ ना? अभी नहीं, नहीं है ना? सॉल्व कर दो. अरे यार okay, we'll stop with this question because always it is showing class ended like that. We'll see. Anyone select the answer of you? Three. Check though. Krupsagar said 3. Any other answer by others? Any other answer by others, all of you? Yeah, Lina said yeah. Any other answer by others, all of you? Any other answer by others? Not getting? Okay. Right, okay. So what is the remainder? Remainder when n is equal to which one? When n, yeah, Mantosh said yeah. Right, when n is equal to which one? This 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus so on. 1000 factorial power which one? This 40, right? Power which one? This 40. Now if you just observe, you can say, so what is that you can say if you just observe any factorial, right? Any factorial which is having, sorry, we have to check which one, this 1 plus 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial, as after that will the factorials have the unity digit as 0. That 1 factorial, what is it you are having if you just observe 1 factorial is equal to 1 na, and 2 factorial is equal to 2 na, and what is it 3 factorial, you can say 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to which one, this is 6 na, and what is it 4 factorial if you just observe, what is it 4 factorial everyone, 4 factorial is what, all of you, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 na, son. So 24, right? 24 if you just right? And from this 5 factorial and what, right? What is that 5 factorial? 5th factorial is 120 and factorial 6 is what? Factorial 6 is 720 and so on. 7th factorial, factorial 7 is which one everyone? 7 factorial is what? 7 factorial क्या होता है? All of you. Just check it. 7 factorial क्या होता है? 7 factorial क्या होता है all of you? So 7 factorial, 8 factorial, that is say up to this 1000 factorial, right? Up to this 1000 factorial, you will be getting the units digit as a 0 na everyone. You will be getting the units digit as 0 or not everyone? You will be getting the units digit as 0, right? So this is 5040, 5040, right? Units digits as 0 you are getting, right? When all these unit digits are 0, so do you need to consider them or no need to consider them? Do you need to consider them or no need to consider them, all of you? No need to consider them now. Only which one are important to consider now? Only which one are important to consider now if you just observe. So what is that units digit are, right? Right, units digits of what? Which one we have to consider now? 1 factorial plus which one? At 1 factorial plus this 2 factorial plus which one? This 3 factorial plus which one? This 4 factorial plus 0, right? Remaining all will be 0 remainder na, they will be given, so no need to consider na. For all other, right? For all other, what is that you can say? For all other it will be 0 na. For all other it is 0, right? For all other remainder is equal to 0, right? For all other, what is that remainder you can say? That remainder will be 0, you can say if you just observe, right? Isn't it? So for all other it will be 0, right? Because directly we have written this is 0 if you just observe, right? Now if you just observe units digits of this units digits of which one, this all factorial, right? What is that you can say everyone? Units digits of which one, this all factorial, right? This is your 1 power 40, 2 power 40 and this is 6 power 40 is there and this 24 power 40 is there, right? So then what is that you can say if you just observe units digits of all factorials, right? Units digits of this all factorials, 1 power anything comes to be 1 power anything comes to be which one? This 1 power anything comes to be 1 only. 2 power anything comes to be which one? What is that what is that even number? When you are getting it, when you are getting this even number at 40, you are doing now 10 cycles, right? At the end of this 10 cycles, what it will come? For this 2, for this 2, what is that series everyone? Do you remember that series? For this 2, 3, 4, do you remember that series all of you? 2, right? What is that you can say? This is 3, this is your 4, right? 2 square is 2 and 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is which one? 4 here. 2 power 3 is what? 8 and 16. It's not like that you are having, right? 2, 4, 8, 6, right? 2, 4, 8, 6 is the series now. 2, 4, 8, 6 is the series we are having for this 2. 2, 4, 8, 6 is the series we are having, right? What that is 3, 9, 7, 1, na? Yes or no? That 3, 9, 7, 1 you are having, right? For this 4, what is that you can say? 4, 6, what is that? 4, 6, 8. How much it will come? 4, 6. This is which one? 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6 you are getting, right? 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6 you are getting, if you just observe, right? Like that, this is a series, right? So if you just observe unit digit of, right, units digits of this 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial, remaining will be 0. For all other it will be 0, na? Yes, no? For all other it will be 0, right? What is the units digits of this one? You can say units digits of 1 is 1 plus units digits of which one? So plus so on, right? What is the units digit of 2? You can say units digits of this 2 will be which one? This is 2 only. Units digits of this 3 will be which one? This is 6. Plus units digits of this 4 will be which one? This is 4. Plus what is the units digits of others? You can see if you just observe, that is your 0 now. So total how much it comes to be, everyone, now? Total how much it comes to be, everyone, now? Yeah, total how much it comes to be, all of you? The units digits of power 40 we have to get it now. It's on a power 40, right? Power 40 you have to take it, right? Power 40, right? So now what is that units digits of this this 3 into, so power is 40, right? Power is 40 you are having, if you just observe, right? Power is 40, you can say. So when the power is 40, units digits of all factorials, units digits of this all factorials, what is that you can say? Units digits of is all factorials, everyone, if you just observe. This is 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus remaining it will be 0, na? Remaining it will be 0 if you just observe, right? So what is that you are getting, everyone, now? Here units digits of all factorials equal to which one? This is 3 power 40, right? Whenever you are selecting this 3 power 40 first one, right? So here it will be how much you can get? You can write it as 3 plus 10 power 40, na, all of you? 3 plus 10 power 40, right? So what is a remainder of, yeah, remainder of which one, right? Remainder of which one? This one, na? Remainder of which one? What is it you can say? 3 plus 10 power 40 is equal to, can we say that a remainder of this 3 power 40 only? Can you say? Can we say that a remainder of this 3 power 40 only? Can you say it as a remainder of this 3 power 40 only, everyone? So remainder of this 3 power 40 only, right? Remainder of this 3 power 40 by 10, okay? Remainder of this is equal to which one? This remainder of this one, you can say, right? 3 power 40 by 10. Now it has become our polynomial function. Now it has become our polynomial function, everyone. Now it has come in the polynomial function format, if you just observe, right? Whenever you are doing this 3 power 40, right? What is that you can say? 40 by this 4, right? 40 by this 4, what is that? It comes to be 10 cycles, na? 10 cycles if you just observe, 10 cycles if you just observe, what is that units digit you are getting? That units digit is 1 only, no? Right? 10 cycles, right? 10 cycles means, right? 10 cycles means what is that you can say? Units digit is always 1, na? Units digit is 1, right? Units digit is 1 means, right, something. So 381 is there, right? 381 is there. Just for an example, something into 1, right? Something into 1 is there, right? So some 3, 6, 4, 2, 3, 1 is there, right? So what is that you can say? You can write it as 3, 6, 4, 2, 3, 0 plus 1, right? So divided by 10 means what is that you can say? Fourth term, right? So this 1 is only the remainder always, na, everyone? Right? So 1 is only remainder always you are getting, na? 1 as a remainder, right? 1 as which one? This remainder for what? 1 as this remainder for what? For this 3 power 40 if you just observe, right? 3 power 40 by which one? This is 10, right? 3 power 40 by this 10, right? Because here 1 comes, right? Something, either it is 31, 21, 11, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, any one comes, right? 0, 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91. Anyone comes, so that 0 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 20 plus 1, 30 plus 1, 40 plus 1, 50 plus 1, 60 plus 1, 70 plus 1, 80 plus 1, 90 plus 1. So all, right? Yeah, Nishant here actually. So you are getting which one as units digit is which one, Nishant? Okay, Nishant. 3 power 40 by 10 remainder we have to calculate, right? So remainder of this is equal to remainder of this 3 power 40 by 10 only. Why? Because 10 power anything will be multiples of 10 only. So remainder will be 0. So remainder of 3 power 40 by 10 is only important for us. When remainder of this 3 power 40 by 10 is only important for us. So this 3 power 40 you are having means 3 power 40 means 40 by 4. It is 10 cycles completing. Na? At the end of this 10th cycle, what is that units digit we are having? The units digit for this is what? 1, na? Units digit is 1, right? Just for an example, it is 364231 like that, or something into 21, something into 31, so something into 41, So something into which one? This is 5 1. Something into which one? This is 6 1. Something into 7 1. Something into 8 1. Something into 9 1. Right? Anything comes like this, right? Yeah. So then what is that? You can write it 20 plus 1. You can write it as a 30 plus 1. And you can write it as which one? This is a 40 plus 1. And you can write it as this 50 plus 1 and 60 plus 1, right? Now tell me, so anything you are having that will be divided by this 10, obviously we remain giving a reminder of this 1 and a, whether it is a 2 1 at the end or 3 1 at the end or 4 1 at the end or 5 1 at the end or 6 1 or 7 1, 8 1, 9 1, anything with 1 at the end, what it will be giving if you just observe. So 21 by 10. So it is remainder 1, 31 by 10 remainder 1, 41 by 10 remainder 1, 51 by 10 remainder 1, 61 by 10 remainder 1, right? So remainder is always 1. Nishant, is it clear? Remainder is always 1 only or not? Remainder is always 1 only, right? 10th cycle क्या? 10th cycle में क्या है? End of this 10th cycle ना, end of this 10th cycle क्या होगा? 10th cycle ending na. Suppose if it comes 10 plus 1 by 4, it is 3. 10 plus 1 by 4, it is 3. But it is 10 plus 1 by 4 has come or 10 only has come? 10 plus 0 by 4 na either. 10 plus 0 by 4 na. 0 by 4 means previous one. It is first one, it is second one, it is this is second, that is third, this is fourth na. So this is also 0, you can say. Nishant, it is 10th cycle means end number we have to tell it na. End one is 1 only na, not that 9. Where is that 9? Tell me. Where is that 9? Tell me for this 3 cycle, right? 3 power something na, 3 power 40. Where is that 9? Any 9? Any 9 is there? As in the units digit? No 9 in the units digit na. Like that. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, all of you? Nishant, is that clear? It is clear or not, Nishant? Tell me. If it is clear, I will close the session. If it is not clear, I will just explain it again. Nishant, just respond. Clear? Okay. I will be closing the session. Thank you, all of you. So tomorrow we will try to solve more number of questions, right? Because I will get the questions in the typed format so that we can solve only questions, right? So we can directly go to the solutions, right? So that we can save more time. So today while writing questions and solution, more time taken na. Yeah, tomorrow we'll be continuing, right? Because KP sir class is going to start now, Divyang. KP sir class is going to start at 5:30, so that is why I'm closing it. Okay, don't worry, we'll be having the classes every day, right? We'll be having the classes every week, 4 days we'll be having. Okay, don't worry, tomorrow we'll be having na. Thank you, all of you. Have a good day.